Do you have old ungrounded outlets in your house, or have you been told your outlets are testing as ungrounded? Is that even a safety concern? Does it really matter which type of outlets you have? I think to answer this question, we should first look at what type of appliances in our house are grounded and which ones are not grounded. Coffee maker, they're grounded. Toasters, they're ungrounded. Smartphone chargers, ungrounded. Flat screen TVs, they're ungrounded. They're ungrounded. They are grounded. Ungrounded. 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 They're grounded. Okay, so if you're anything like me, you may have been surprised by that list of things that are ungrounded. The things that we use every single day, when they have two prongs only, they are designed to be ungrounded, and they make no difference whatsoever if it's a two prong in your house or a three prong ungrounded. However, if you do want to improve your outlets and you want to go grounded to some of them or a majority of them, you can pay an electrician to update the wiring in your house, very expensive, or you can change out two prong or three prong ungrounded to a GFI. Now, a GFI safety breaker will give you fault protection even with no grounding. You don't need these in every room of your house or every location of your house. As you saw with the plug-in appliances, you only need them at those locations that you think you need three-prong or need additional safety. However, three-prong ungrounded are a safety concern because you're assuming it's grounded by just looking at it, but it's actually not. Now, a GFI outlet is a safety outlet. They cost about 20 bucks each. A regular outlet costs about $2 each, so they are significantly higher but worth their cost because it's a safety device. You can legally install these on ungrounded circuits and be just fine. There are stickers provided in the kit. We'll go over that in a moment, so you can label it as an ungrounded outlet, but you still get what's called fault protection. If there's a fault, short circuit, or any grounding issue, it will turn off and kill the power. Now, the yellow or white sticker in the back of your GFI safety outlets, you can keep that closed up. You will not need those terminals if you're not protecting downstream outlets. You only need to connect to the top, which will protect this immediate outlet. Okay, so you want to turn off the power and verify you've turned off the power. So after the power is turned off and you verified that, simply remove the outlet. Now, if you only have one set of wire, a black and a white, one set of wire, you are good to go. That's going to go on the new GFI safety device right at the top of the side without the tape covering it. But don't worry, if you have two different sets, you can still proceed. You want to carefully split the two different sets, turn the power back on, use a voltage detector to see which side is live. The live side you'll want on the top of the GFI, and the other side you could pull the sticker and connect it. It will protect downstream outlets as long as you label them with the sticker kit as no equipment ground. This bottom one here, no equipment ground. However, that does confuse people. They'll see a three prong labeled as no equipment ground. I find it's best for do-it-yourselfers just to keep that sticker intact. Only connect your old wires to the top. Only that individual outlet will be protected. Okay, so you're simply going to remove the screws for the black and the white. Okay, now on your GFI, you can go around the screw, but this is a upgraded outlet. It is designed to have a wire going straight in through the back, and they improve the condition by allowing you to have two blacks on the gold screw or two whites on the silver screw. So for your new GFI outlet, you actually just need straight wires to go right in the back. You can take pliers and straighten these out. Now you can cut the wire and use wire strippers to get a new perfectly straight section. However, again, if it's an older house, you might not have the length to do that. Your wires may be getting too short. Okay, black to the gold colored screw. As you can see, it goes perfectly in that slot. It's a really good design. You don't no longer have to bend the wire carefully around the screw, and you can get two wires per screw. Black on the gold side, white wire on the silver side. Tighten everything down. Again, you don't have ground. Safely screw it back in. These are a little bit larger than the outlet you just removed to reinstall. You actually could do electrical tape around it if you were concerned about these screws touching anything else in the box. That's your choice. Some electricians wrap with electrical tape, some do not. Now the cover plate comes with the kit. As you can see, it uses the rectangle decor design. The little white screws come with the kit. These GFI outlets come in white and ivory. There may even be a third choice that I'm forgetting at the moment. Now that we have the cover plate on and the GFI is tight in position, we can turn the power back on. Okay, now that the power is back on, you can test the outlet. There we go. I had to reset it, which is the top. The bottom is the test, the reset is the top. It is showing that we have power. Anything you plug into it will work at this point. It does show one light on, meaning it's open ground. Open in electrical terms just means there's not a connection there. It's an open ground, showing the third hole does not have grounding. We already knew that. So in the sticker kit that comes with your GFI outlet, you simply install no equipment ground sticker. You have met code. You have a GFI outlet that is not grounded, but it's labeled as such, and it's a safety device. It trips. Check this out. It trips and turns off the power, rendering it a safety device. So that's what you can upgrade to. The old way of doing it was these little cheater plugs, 3 to 2, and that's kind of garbage. They're 50 cents, possibly a fire hazard. You don't want to be using these. You want to use a GFI safety device outlet to upgrade the safety in your house wherever you think you need them. Hey guys, good luck. I know you can do this yourself. If you want additional video on discussing open grounding outlets and what you can do, check this video out right here in the corner where I'm pointing to. That's what you want to watch next.